Setting up the SSD is pretty easy thing to do. Today we will be talking about how you guys will be able to set up the SSD. The process is pretty simple. For that, as you guys can see, I'm in my Windows 11. The process is pretty much the same in Windows 11 and Windows 10. Now let me clear you one thing. Suppose you had an HDD before and now you want to set up an SSD. In that case, I would want you to install the Windows into your SSD. For that, just disconnect your HDD and then just connect the SSD and then simply install the new Windows through a bootable USB or a Windows CD. Once you have installed the Windows, you won't have to do anything. Your SSD will be set up. However, just in case you are already using an SSD and now you have connected an SSD for an external or for more storage. In that case, you just simply have to right click on your computer and then simply click on show more options and then click on manage. Now, after clicking on manage, these settings will pop up. Now, these settings will pop up. Here, you simply have to click on this disk management. After clicking on disk management, you will be able to see an other SSD right underneath your disk 0. Underneath your disk 0, there should be disk 1, which should be, in black color and which should be written like unallocated. So just have to right click on it and then you will be able to see an option for activated. Just click on that and it will automatically want you to give him the letter you want to assign, like these letter as you can see C, D. You just have to give him the letter you want him to assign and other details, and there you go, your SSD will set up. After it is set it up, you just have to go to this PC and you'll be able to see it right here. So that's pretty much it. That's how I'll be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.